The owner of Rosenberg's Bagels will tell you he's a big fan of Governor Polis. He also wishes Governor Polis would do more to help businesses. Ivan Rodriguez continues our coverage.
Anything else for you?
For this Rosenberg's Bagels location, the work continues, something the other two locations in the Denver metro weren't able to fully do after a COVID outbreak amongst employees. Rosenberg's Boulder location reopened on Tuesday for takeout and delivery only, and it's something the other two stores might have to do when they reopen.
It really is going to be a day-to-day thing where if we have 3 call-outs, then we might have to close the dining room down, or we might have to go to takeout only, or we might have to reduce our menus.
Joshua Pollock owns Rosenberg's Bagels. We couldn't chat with him in person because he also recently tested positive for COVID along with his team.
It's hard to run a restaurant without, a line cook that you really need or a baker, but it's nearly impossible to do without a manager and someone to fill in that role.
And staffing shortages is only one of the challenges his company is facing.
We need help from the government with testing and PPE. We need help from the government with finances. And really what we need from the general public is just a little bit of understanding and compassion.
Pollock says the testing backlog makes it harder for employees to return quickly, and being required to pay 48 hours of sick time this year also puts a strain on the business.
I'm a big fan of Jared Polis, and so I understand why this act was put together to give people sick pay leave. But I don't think he really took into account that it could happen all at once for a business with a closure.
For regular customers, it would be a shame to see the popular bagel shop closed down.
If they have to continue like this, I guess it'd be good for the neighborhood, just for people to continue stopping by and support.
Despite the challenges, Pollock has no plans of closing any locations, but it's a new reality he can't ignore.
This is the first time that I've had those thoughts and I've had those talks of the what ifs.
Ivan Rodriguez, Denver 7.